there's no way that you won't win. They can say what they wanna say, but it's your game that you're playing. So go on, stop, girl, do what you wanna do. Run the world in tennis shoes. Make your mark, don't leave a stone unturned. Pick up your torch and let it burn. Oh, oh, pick up your torch and let it burn. Oh, oh.
Good morning, you guys. Today is February, I think today is February the 26th. Let's see. Yep. Today is February 26th. I am at work. I am working. As you guys saw, I had a package at the front door. I actually ordered a HDMI for my cell phone because I was gifted. Hold on, let me show y'all. I was gifted this LED projector. It's a PVO LED projector, and I think it's a kid's version, but they didn't buy it for me because it was a kid's version. Basically, one of my friends bought it and didn't know how to use it, so, and she said she's had it for a while, and I noticed that this projector was very popular 2 years ago, so she gave it to me. And let me show y'all what I actually came up with. Let me show you guys what I actually came up with. Hold on, I have to, give me a minute. All right, here's the projector. Here's what the projector looks like. Looks like this. And let me show you guys, because right now I have the projector. This is the space that I have the projector, and I have it working from my laptop. So let's try it. Okay, I was going to show you guys. It actually comes with an actual remote as well. Takes a minute to come on. Okay, let me turn it back on. Oh, hold on. Let me log into my laptop right quick. Okay, let me show you guys.
Business. The all-new redesigned Halo Collar 4 now fits big and small dogs.
So let me show you guys what it looks like.
And it's 100% changed our dogs' lives.
With the Halo app, you can easily set up virtual fences.
So
and with our
here it is right here.
GPS technology, those virtual fences are now more accurate than ever.
So
It's blown us away on how well it works. And keep
even better. I don't have to show anybody. But this is how I have it set up for now. And I usually, I put my laptop, I drag it, and I put it right here on the floor, which that's not an appropriate place for it. And you guys, also, as you guys can see, this is actually my camera tripod, but this actually has a little hole like a camera, so you could put it on a tripod. That is the best thing about this. Okay, you guys, I am actually playing it on this wall right here, which is like everything.
Our professional grade GMC.
My names. Girl, you know my best idea is sparking times with chaos. Alright, perfect. Why are you changing it?
The reason for the projector is actually I wanted to get a projector so when the pool
I'll get it for you Monday morning. Thank you.
so when the pool gets fixed and we're getting a new liner. We already picked out the new liner. We already on the books to get the pool in. We are the 10th customer in line.
I'm always tired.
So you guys, I made me a matcha. I did put too much of this pH Delight. I was only trying to put a tablespoon in, and when I started looking, it was pouring. So I wasn't trying to use that much pH Delight. That's why I kind of made my matcha tea a little stronger than I normally would, because it's a lot dark. It's dark green.
Okay, well. Email.
Derek sent it like 10 minutes ago. We just dropped Chapman.
What? I was supposed to present to them.
Well, not anymore.
I don't understand. Why did we drop them? We're already so far in.
Y'all see
I'm
it?
not supposed to say anything, but something bigger came along. I'm talking making speeches on TV. Bigger.
Okay. Are you
We're going to see if it works, but we're not going to check it right now. But just know, I ordered an HDMI cord, which we will be testing out in a little bit. I'm just letting you guys see that it definitely works with my computer. So I'm showing you guys that it's definitely working with my computer, and I will let the person that gave it to me know that it actually works. I'm looking at Sisters. Also, I'm watching. What'd they do? He moved the car. Why did he move the car? Why did he move the car? I guess I can go outside. Let's go outside and see what they got going on. I'm always bagging on up to get out of here. It looks pretty nice in here, so hold on. Where's she at? She not coming out?
Help me. Thank you.
You're welcome.
Let's go now.
Okay, bye-bye. Have a good time. Hey, you guys. I'm back. I'm on the phone with IKEA. My packages still hadn't got here. I was supposed to have my order on the 17th. Then they redid it. It was supposed to be here today. Okay, y'all. So I just got off the phone with IKEA. Now they pushed my order to March 3rd. Poo-poo, what's going on? What is going on? What's today? Today's the 27th, right? So tomorrow's the last day of February. So they moved my order to the 3rd. Lately, y'all, I'm just